What's up everyone, it's your host Jakeel, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to turn the circles on your Apple Watch into list mode for easier viewing. Without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to turn your circular app view to list mode. So when you're on your home page, you press this dial button right here and it brings you to your apps. You then look around, like you move around, you look for your settings app right there, you click on settings. You want to scroll down to where it says app view. In app view, you want to click list view, and then you want to back out, press the dial button again, and you see now your apps are in list view in alphabetical order. For those who prefer their apps in list mode, and then you can go back to the circular view mode by clicking that, and it goes back to normal. And also you can move around like this too, you don't have to click the dials. But then the second way is actually if you scroll down to the bottom and you click on list mode right there, boom, now it becomes list mode as well. And you don't have to use the wheel, you can just use your finger as well. This is ideal for those who like to find their apps with words on them using alphabetical order versus this mode where for the circles you have to know what your app looks like. Like if you don't know what that wave thing is, how are you going to know? Like, unless you click on it and then you waste your time. Also, if you hold on the app, you can exit out or move your apps around to your preferred. Because this tends to be the center, so you can move it around as well. Then you click on the wheel and it goes back to normal. So, I tried it with the list and it's kind of like, I remember what the apps look like for the most part. Like, I'm never going to need to know tides. So, local marine data. But it's like, I understand this is ideal for some people. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple Watch tips.